Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that helps you make smarter purchasing decisions.
In today's video, we have two dash cameras that are ready to hit the road.
On the left side, we have the Bugio dash cam front, and on the right side, we have the Prilet dash camera.
Buckle up and let's dive into the comparison.
Alright, let's talk about video quality. The Bugio dash cam front boasts a 1080p Full HD lens that captures every detail with outstanding image quality. Plus, its 3-inch super large IPS display gives you a real-time view of the road. On the other hand, the Prilet dash camera takes it up a notch with its 4K front camera, offering crisp and clear images.
It even has a rear and interior camera for maximum coverage. It's like having a personal cinematographer in your car. Now let's shed some light on night vision.
The Bugio dash cam front utilizes a combination of f1.8 large aperture WDR to ensure clarity in low light conditions.
It's like having a spotlight in the dark. But wait, the Prilet dash camera is not one to be left in the shadows.
With its super night vision and infrared cabin light, it captures important details day or night.
You'll never miss a UFO sighting or a sneaky raccoon crossing the road.
Now let's check out the additional features that these dash cameras bring to the table.
The Bugio dash cam front comes with a G sensor that saves video evidence of collisions, loop recording to automatically overwrite old files, and motion detection to capture any sudden movements. It's like having a personal bodyguard for your car. On the other hand, the Prilet dash camera offers a 24-hour parking continuous recording function with the help of a hardware kit sold separately. It also has a G sensor that detects vibrations and collisions, locking the footage to prevent it from being overwritten. It's like having a car detective that never sleeps. Overall, the Bugio dash cam front is praised for its video quality, ease of installation, and functionality. Reviewers appreciate the clear images and videos, as well as the peace of mind provided by having video evidence in case of accidents.
On the other hand, the Prilet dash camera receives positive feedback for its easy installation, impressive video quality, and reliable performance.
Reviewers believe it provides peace of mind on the road and recommend it as an affordable safety solution for drivers.
And that's a wrap for our comparison between the Bugio dash cam front and the Prilet dash camera.
Remember, both cameras have their strengths, and it ultimately depends on your personal preferences. Whether you're a fan of the Bugio's video quality or the Prilet's additional features, you'll be making a smart choice either way. Don't forget to check out the links in the description below to grab these dash cameras for yourself.
And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Stay smart, stay safe, and happy driving.